This video is part 5 of an 8-part series. Make sure to watch all of the videos in the series in the order shown. Open this cover. Press this button and make sure the light turns off. Move this lever to the open position. Push this part towards the platen, then remove the curl suppressor and set it aside. Repeat this process on the other side. Hold this lever in the open position and lift the substrate to create slack. Using a polyester or nylon cloth dampened with alcohol, clean the roller. Clean the platen. When you're done, hold this lever in the open position and remove slack from the substrate. Rotate this shaft to remove any additional slack. Move this lever to the closed position. Then select Platen Unit Platen. If all maintenance items in the list have check marks, select Switch Mode. Using a polyester or nylon cloth dampened with alcohol, clean the curl suppressors. Reinstall the curl suppressors. If this light is on, the curl suppressor is not attached correctly. Reinstall it and check the light again. Close the cover. Then select Platen Unit Curl Suppressor. If all maintenance items in the list have check marks, select Switch Mode. Make sure to watch the other videos in the series.